He connected to free Wi-Fi at the airport just to check his email. 5 minutes later, hackers were inside his bank account. No malware, no phishing link. They didn't even need his password. They simply watched everything he typed. How? Through a man-in-the-middle attack. And in this video, you'll finally understand how this attack works, because it could happen to anyone, including you. Chapter 1. The Setup. A hacker's favorite trap. Imagine this. Daniel is traveling. His flight is delayed, so he pulls out his laptop and connects to free airport Wi-Fi. He logs into Instagram, then Gmail for a verification code, then his banking app to make a quick transfer. He doesn't know that the Wi-Fi network he connected to isn't from the airport. It was created by a hacker sitting just 20 meters away. Someone using a laptop and a simple device called a Wi-Fi pineapple. The hacker is now silently sitting between Daniel and the internet, watching everything he does. Daniel thinks his connection is private, but it isn't. He has become a victim of a man-in-the-middle attack. Chapter 2. What is a man-in-the-middle attack? A man-in-the-middle attack, MITM, is when a hacker secretly intercepts communication between two parties, like you and a website, without your knowledge. You think you're talking to the real website, but you're actually sending your information through the hacker first. It's like handing a sealed letter to a mailman who opens it, reads it, reseals it, and still delivers it. You have no idea someone was watching. MITM attacks can steal login credentials, capture session cookies, view emails and messages, change banking transfers, inject malicious files into downloads, fake website responses. Scary part? Victims almost never know what's happening. Chapter 3. How hackers do it. The methods. There are several ways hackers pull off MITM attacks, but here are the most common. 1. Fake Wi-Fi networks. Evil Twin attack. Hackers create a hotspot named something like free Wi-Fi, airport Wi-Fi, or cafe guest. When people connect, all traffic flows through the hacker's device. Passwords, browsing history, logins, everything. 2. ARP spoofing. Inside a local network, the hacker tricks your device into thinking their device is the router. So instead of talking to the internet directly, you unknowingly send all traffic through the hacker. 3. DNS spoofing. The hacker changes where your device connects when you enter a website. You type facebook.com, but you're sent to a fake Facebook clone where your email and password are stolen. 4. HTTPS downgrade attack. When websites use HTTP instead of HTTPS, your data isn't encrypted. Hackers force your browser to downgrade security so they can read your data in plain text. This is exactly how over 68% of cyber theft on public networks happens. And it works. Fast. Chapter 4. The attack in action. Let's go back to Daniel. When he opened his bank's website, he thought it was secure. The page looked real. The logo, colors, and even SSL padlock icon were there. But what Daniel didn't know was, the connection was fake. The login page came from the hacker's laptop. When he entered his username and password, it went straight to the attacker. Even two-factor authentication didn't save him, because the hacker used session hijacking. Once Daniel logged in, the hacker simply reused his session ID to enter his account silently. By the time Daniel boarded his flight, $2,800 was already gone. Chapter 5. Real-world MITM. Examples. MITM isn't theory. It happens every day. 2022. Hackers used fake Wi-Fi near hotels to steal over 900 booking credentials. 2023. Attackers used ARP spoofing to break into a university network and hijack student accounts. 2024. A group was caught using MITM to intercept bank transfers in Europe, rerouting 1.6 million to crypto wallets. MITM is silent, powerful, and extremely hard to detect. Chapter 6. How to protect yourself. Here's the right way to defend against man-in-the-middle attacks. Never use public Wi-Fi without a VPN. If it's not your network, assume someone can see your traffic. Check for HTTPS. Only enter passwords on secure sites. HTTPS, Yuxcoin, look for the lock icon. Disable auto-connect Wi-Fi. Hackers hack convenience. Don't let your phone connect automatically. Use two-factor authentication. App-based, not SMS. SMS can be intercepted with SIM swapping. Verify network names. Ask staff before connecting to any Wi-Fi in airports, hotels, cafes. Use a mobile hotspot when possible. Your phone's hotspot is safer than public Wi-Fi. Log out from accounts after banking or email sessions. Reduces session hijacking risk. Chapter 7. Final warning. The most dangerous thing about MITM attacks? They don't require hacking your device. They hack your connection. And connection, control. If you're learning cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or digital security, you must understand this attack. It's one of the most used techniques by cybercriminals today. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not promote hacking or illegal activity. The goal is cybersecurity awareness and protection. If you want more videos about smart tech, cybersecurity, and how the digital world really works, subscribe to Hack Only Evil and turn on notifications. The future belongs to those who understand it. Don't be left behind.